I need to learn Spanish. Lost my bank card. Okay, that is my front door. This is my way to the rooftop, which I'll show you later. Thank God I don't drink, because this is really treacherous. My front door. It's very cool in here. I'll move that garbage can. The aesthetics is not nice. Table, comfortable chair. They've got Netflix, YouTube. I've got my own YouTube. And the kitchen. God, it smells so good in here. Coffee maker, blender, blah, 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 blah. We all know all this stuff. And then out here is my little private balcony where I can smoke and die of lung cancer. Here's my bedroom. Ta-da! My laptop and stuff. Keep these closed because it's very warm in here. Shut the closet. Turn the light on. It's nice. It's really nice. Chase would like to send my bank card to my home address, even though I told them I'm in Mexico. Oh shit. Okay, oh, the sun is so bright. Okay, so some of these that are not good are being thrown away. There's plants, a barbecue, which I'll never use, and he's bringing me an umbrella for the table because I'll need some shade. Now here's my first view. See that terracotta house? So beautiful. Look how cool that is. And then we come over to this side. And there's a beautiful ocean view. Hey, shut up. It's just really nice. Four hours later and their systems are down and I need to call back. Still waiting. Still waiting. It's been over 24 hours and I'm still waiting for an answer from Chase Bank about my debit card. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I lost my debit card. How many idiots come to Mexico and lose their debit card? A lot of people do. I would think that Chase Bank would be used to this and would be set up to be able to deal with this and not give somebody, a customer, a run around, especially what they charge for using an ATM in a different country. Nice evening on the balcony. Holy what? Man, wash your car. Okay, I need to go find some food. I'm starving right now, but I mean, I need some food for the apartment so I can eat. Not liking this area right here too much. We'll see what happens. It's hot. I feel a little greasy. Well, it looks like Eamon and Beck are done with van life. don't know, I'm a little scared.
Es mucho trabajo. Dale quitando la basura, todo esto.
I need to learn Spanish.
Esto es mucho bueno.
This right here is the wonders of travel for me. It's not the tours, it's not the zip lining, or even eating out at a touristy restaurant. That's not interesting to me. What's interesting to me is the connection with people, local people. Michaela saw that I was admiring all the big jackfruit, so she started a conversation with me in Spanish. My Spanish is not that good. And even though there was a language barrier, 2 middle-aged women connected over fruit. Michaela has lived right where she sat for 63 years, born and raised in the same house. Well, good news. I finally got things worked out with the bank. It's all sorted out. A friend of mine is bringing the card to me, and I will have it soon enough. So, all that stress, all that energy, all those phone calls, it's all bueno. Namaste. I feel really hippy-dippy right now.